Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our Family Health series. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Today, we're diving into a topic that many parents find challenging, dealing with dry cough in babies and toddlers. It's not just uncomfortable for our little ones, but it can be quite a concern for us as parents. We all know that over-the-counter medications are not always suitable for young children. That's why we are focusing on effective home remedies that are gentle, safe, and can be easily prepared at your home. Let's start with our first remedy, honey and warm water. Remember, honey is only suitable for children over 1 year old. It's great for soothing irritated throats and has natural antibacterial properties. Next up, we have the saltwater gargle. This is ideal for toddlers who can gargle. Salt water can help ease the discomfort of a sore throat and reduce dryness. Now, let's talk about the humidifier. Keeping the air moist can really help alleviate the symptoms of a dry cough. It's especially helpful during winter months. Another simple yet effective remedy is steam. A warm bath or even just sitting in a steamy bathroom can help loosen the cough. Our last remedy for today is the lemon and honey drink. This not only soothes the throat, but also boosts immunity. Again, remember that honey is for children over 1 year. These remedies are not just effective, but also involve ingredients that are commonly found in our homes. However, it's crucial to remember that if your child's cough persists, or if they show signs of severe discomfort, please consult your pediatrician. Caring for our little ones is our top priority, and using these gentle remedies can make those tough nights a little easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. Stay healthy and take care until our next video.